We are pleased to show you the 2015 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, perimeter alarm, power brakes, battery saver, body color door handles, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.